Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that he heard the Prophet ﷺ say, there were 3 men in Banu Israel, a leper, a bald-headed, and a blind. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, willing to test them, dispatched an angel to them. He went to the leper and asked him, what do you like the most? He replied, good complexion, beautiful skin, and these white patches must get vanished, as the people have a strong aversion to me due to them. The angel thereupon wiped his hand over him. His disease got cured, and he was blessed with good complexion and beautiful skin. Then the angel asked, what type of property do you like most? He replied, camels, or he said, cows. Ishaq, the narrator, faces uncertainty in declaring who between the leper and the bald demanded camels and who demanded cows. The reporter says he was given 10 pregnant she-camels, and it was said, may Allah bless you in them. Then that angel went to the bald and asked, what thing do you like most? He replied, beautiful hair, and that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may remove my baldness, because of which people have a strong repulsion against me. The angel whereupon ran his hand over him. His baldness vanished, and he was given beautiful hair. He then asked him, which property do you like most? He replied, cows. So he was blessed with a pregnant cow. Then the angel said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless you in it. Then the angel went to the blind man and asked him, what thing do you like most? He replied, that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may restore my sight to me, so that I can see the people. The angel thereupon ran his hand over him, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu restored his sight. He then asked him, what type of property do you like most? He replied, goats. So he was given a pregnant goat. Then both of them, she-camel and cow, and this produced young ones to such an extent that the first had a herd of camels filling a valley, the second had a herd of cows filling a valley, and the third one had a flock of goats filling a valley. Later that angel went to the leper in his previous form and appearance and said, I am a poor man, and all my resources have got exhausted in this journey. Now none can take me to my destination, says Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And then you, I request you for the sake of him who granted you good complexion, good skin, and camels as a property, to arrange a camel for me, so that I can continue my journey. He replied, I have many obligations to perform. The angel whereupon said, perhaps I know you. Were you not a leper to whom people had repulsion? You were a poor man, so Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted you property. He replied, I have inherited this property from my ancestors. The angel whereupon said, if you are a liar, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may return you to your former condition. Then that angel went to the bald-headed in his former form and said to him the same what he said to the leper, and he as well rejected him in the same way as the leper rejected him. The angel said to him, if you are a liar, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may transform you in your former form. Then the angel went to the blind in his former form and appearance and said, I am a poor man and a traveler. All my resources have got exhausted in this journey. Now none can take me to my destination, says Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And then you, I beseech you for a goat in the name of him who restored your eyesight to you, so as to cover my journey. The blind man said, undoubtedly I was blind. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu restored my sight. So take out of my property what you wish, and leave whatever you wish. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I shall not stop you from taking whatever you will take in the name of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. The angel said, keep your property with you. You all have been put to a trial. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is pleased with you and displeased with both of your companions. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7357.